What's up everyone, so today's video would be going to be on the complete bodyweight workout routine without using any equipment. So this workout will help you to build your muscle mass and burn quite a lot of calories so that it can assist you in your fat loss journey. So these workouts can be followed from a beginner to an advanced level. So for the beginners, I will be giving you the regression with each of the exercises which I am demonstrating so that you can follow this routine without any difficulty. And even if you have never done any exercise in your life, then also you can start with this routine and it would be a good starting point for you to improve your posture and build some strength in your muscles. So you can go for the lower rep ranges as I mentioned the rep range with each of the exercises as I am demonstrating in this video. For the intermediate individuals who have been doing some workouts but don't have a good routine so that they can target each and every muscle, then this workout would be very beneficial for you because we are targeting every muscles with this workout. And with this workout you can take minimum rest in between the exercises and you can go for the higher rep ranges here. For the advanced individuals who have been training for a long period of time, for them they can use this workout as a deload week, or if they are bored from the gym routine or if they don't have the time to go for the gym, then also they can follow this workout while adding some weights and going for a very high rep range, taking minimum rest in between the exercises. So with every exercise, when you increase the intensity and add some loads or weights with each of the variation, then it can be easily modified into the advanced variation. So let's quickly break down this workout routine. So here you will be doing the 7 exercises in a circuit manner, which means that you will be going for 1 to 7 exercises with or without taking any rest in between these exercises, and then repeat the whole circuit for 4 to 5 times depending upon your strength and stamina. So as you can see here, the first 4 exercises will target your upper body and the lower body muscles, that is the push and pull muscles, and then the next 2 exercises will target your core muscles so that you can improve your core strength, so it gets easier for you to move into the advanced variation. And the last exercise will be an explosive cardio workout which will help you to burn a lot of calories so that it can aid you in your fat loss journey as well. So once you finish this circuit, you can take some rest and repeat this circuit again. Now, how many times you have to do it will depend upon your strength and stamina. So the whole workout for the week consists of the 3 workout routines which will be done in a circuit manner, that is the workout A, workout B and workout C. So either you can go for a 3-day workout or you can go for a 6-day workout where you will be repeating this workout A, B and C again. And if you want a complete PDF on this workout routine which explains about the sets, reps, tempo and the frequency with which you have to perform this workout to get some optimal gains, then you can check out TheSuppleStrength.com where you can download this workout for free. So now let's look into each of these exercises and also the warm up and the cool down which you have to perform while you are following this workout routine so that you can get a better clarity on the form and progressions which you have to follow. watching the video. I hope you found this complete bodyweight workout routine without using any equipment helpful. And if you did, then like this video, share the video with everyone who want to start their fitness journey, and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned with more such informative videos on workout and nutrition. And comment below your views on this workout and how it's going on for you. You can always check the PDF on my site, and if you want the assistant with the form and technique, you can come back and check these videos. And if you wish to train with us, then check out TheSuppleStrength.com, where we provide evidence-based nutrition as well as workout coaching to enhance human performance. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, stay supple, stay strong.